Today we're out here at a lake in Pennsylvania getting ready to do a test call over Starlink back to our office in Reston, Virginia.
The ICRI is a field-ready system that bridges incompatible radios, supports encrypted talk groups, works in blackout environments, and deploys fast with no IT, no infrastructure, and has kit options for operators. The ICRI is a rapidly deployable infrastructure-independent gateway, delivering multi-band coordination, proven real-world performance, satellite backhaul, and interoperability across agencies and environments. The ICRI maintains communications when networks fail, linking radios and devices with no towers or additional encryption keys, operating effectively in vehicles, buildings, tunnels, confined spaces, and supports encrypted radios.
So all I need to do on here is go off hook. We'll hear the dial tone, dial the number of the distant ICRI, and then at the other end, our technician should answer the call.
Hello, hello, hello. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test 1, 2, 3. How do you read?